going to our first camping night with the family. With the toddlers and Mama.
With the family?
Yes.
First time ni Mama.
Where is JJ? JJ is at the very back end there. Let's go, let's go. Ready, guys? Okay, let's go. Okay, we rented 2 spots here. That's why it's really big. So yeah, including this one and that one there.
Located just 50 minutes northwest of Regina, lies on the eastern edge of Last Mountain Lake in Saskatchewan. Overlooking the most scenic spots of Last Mountain Lake, many people call this their summer haven.
Campground site 254 and 268, which is that one until there. Ito na ba yung saksakan? Ah, ito. Oh, may European na ba? Or
220 pala yun.
220 pala. Pampinas. Grabe na, ang daming dala pag camping pala, no?
Kanina lang kami
Grabe.
Parang din na namin buong buhay namin.
Great to start the day, first day of camping with Walking Jays. By the way, mano-mano rin namin ilagay itong mga strip lights and makikita nyo dito may akyat.
Bruh. Ito po yung onggoy na umakyat sa amin dito.
Onggoy ng Regina.
Pugpo ka ba, Pabs? O ano?
Takot ako doon sa ano eh. Inaasar nga ako ng mga pinsan ko kasi lahat sila po.
Naka-video.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
This 270-hectare park offers a lot for your summer getaway. It features amenities like washrooms, showers, and laundry facilities. There's also Mama Bear's Den, a licensed restaurant. They also have small harbor with convenience store. This is so much fun, a summer haven for everyone.
Our mini village is set up already. Ito yung hub namin. So dito kami mag-open forum mamaya. And that's the village with the kids daycare. And that's our tent. And that's another tent. And that's another car. So we rented 2 spots here. It's our first time here at Rowan's. Good job. It's a good one. Very recommended.
There are plenty of activities you can enjoy here at Rowan's Ravine Provincial Park. During the summer season, guests can indulge in swimming, arc boating, trophy walleye fishing, and lounging on one of southern Saskatchewan's largest natural beaches. Numerous picnic spots, including a newly constructed pavilion, expansive green areas, well-appointed campgrounds, and cabin rentals, ensure a pleasant and comfortable stay.
Gusto ba ang barbecue?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Masarap.
Masarap. Sino nagtimpla niyan? Ay, si Sal yung nagbaba dyan, di ba?
Ginabad lang sa toyo.
Oo.
Bawang, suka at kamatis.
Wow, ayos. Paano yung procedure?
Paghalu-haluin mo lang. 1/4 cup ng toyo.
Wow. So these lights, we will need to move to the tent. Yan. Para mas maliwanag tayo mamaya. Approve na? 1? Ng contractor. Approve ng contractor. So after adjusting the light, check it. Yun. There you go. The lights are ready.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
How is it, JJ? Do you like the camping?
I like the baby happy mom.
Yes, okay. So we move the table so that we'll have a lights tonight. It's getting dark already. The lights are coming out. Yes.
So, paano pag ganito? Walang pajama-pajama?
Wala na.
What? Hindi ko alam kung totoo.
Pati isa na lang. Okay. There's a lake there. We're gonna go there tomorrow. Eating time now, dinner. Yes. With lights. Tara. Sige, ikaw dyan, Fitz. Ah, ito muna. Okay, picture guys. 1, 2, 3.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Tama pagkain. Nice, nice.
Actually guys, ito na yun. Wala na tayong ibang pagkain.
Bukas tinapay
Tinodo na pala ngayon. Tinapay na lang bukas.
So this is the lights that we set up. And that one too. So that's for Sel and Always. And Nem and Jovi. This is our tent in here. Where's JJ? It's not enjoying it. Medyo magulo. And this is the kids tent. And that's Karen and Fitz. And this is Juan and Kitty. Change costume, pajama and hoodie. It's because malamig pagabi. Yes, it's cold, like 12 degrees at night, and daylight by noon it's 30 degrees, 26 degrees. Guys, if your problem is water, don't worry, there's a water source in here. Alright, there's electricity source, and there's everything in here, and also washroom. So we're getting spoiled.
It was at this moment
12 seconds later.
Nakuha kay Sel? Ah? Ay, ganun. Oh, no, they don't have firewood.
It was at this moment that he knew.
We're getting spoiled. We need firewood. So our friends will go to our Filipino friends to ask for firewood.
Many months later.
Yes! Productive ang lakad. Oh.
Kasi di ba ikakat mo pa yun?
Oo. Wow. Ito na. Wow, grabe.
Sinibak nila yung...
Oh? May pang ano doon? Pang sibak na?
Ito. Hindi, pinagsibak. Kanya-kanya sibak pala. Kukuha ka lang ng
Oh,
ganito.
I see.
Sabi ko, sorry, it's my first time here. And I'm feeling cold.
Okay, your reward. Here's your reward.
Tigi-tigisang slice kayo.
So, firewood for tonight. Thanks to the guys who borrowed this wood from the other Filipinos. Cool. And we're gonna put it in here. Kailangan lang alasin to. Yun. Ayos. Correct. Nice. Documentary na to. So, Paps, paano kayo nakahingi ng firewood?
Siyempre, bukod sa Filipino charm na meron tayo, hingin natin na first time natin na maging totoo sa kanila, sa nilang rason, and kunin ang pangalan.
Yun, sweet.
Nice.
And magmakaawa na nanlalamig ka na. Hindi lang yung asawa, pati ikaw nanlalamig na rin. Maraming mababait na mga Canadian dito. Mga Pilipino. Maging totoo ka lang sa kanila.
Sana all.
Ang dami natin nakuha ang firewood.
Oo, pero mahirap magsibak, papi.
So, sila yung nagsibak?
Oo, sila yung nagsibak.
Wow, grabe.
Alam namang, hindi ako marunong sumibak.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg!
Pinasibak mo pa sila. Can you chop it for us?
Yeah, can you axe it for us?
Oh. Campfires burning. Thank you to our neighbors and to Paps. Yes, the firewood. We can enjoy the night.
Good job.
What's next on Walking J?
I think this is the best lake of Saskatchewan so far.
Wow.